Fucking road toads, get out of the way! It's ridiculous. The city built this really long, extravagant fucking sidewalk all across the riverbank. From like way the fuck out there, it's miles long. And none of these fuckers use it. Hey. See, I'm not the only one that loves that turn. Even 18-wheelers do too. Hogo, get the fuck out of my way, Roadtoads. That or he just fucking ran one over and he's fleeing. What the fuck are you doing? Are you turning? Are you hazarding? The fucking shit. Fucking schnickel flicker. Fucking potholes. So, like a jackass today, was fucking backing my bike out of the garage and pushing it around to get to this area where I normally stage it and let it idle and everything for, you know. And I lost my footing and fell like a retard. Dropped all that shit. That's why you don't cross that fucking yellow, man. And all these people who say you can't use your brakes in a turn, you can't do this. Like, watch right now. See my finger right here? Watch. Applying front brakes. Letting off the accelerator. Still on the front brake, on the accelerator, off the brake. Check it out. Rear brake, watch. Rear brake on, off the accelerator, on the accelerator, off the brake. Can't be a friggin' tard when you do things. fucking nutters hanging off of that some bitch. Yeah, that's a fucking sculpture. That's how you know your business has made it. If you got a giant sculpture out front with a set of fucking balls on it like that. Back where I came from, there's this little Chinese buffet place. I think it's called the Rocket International Buffet or some shit. Something like that. And they got these Chinese fucking dragons out front of the doors, and they're kind of all like propped up, you know? And one's a female dragon and one's a male dragon, and you know this because the male dragon's got this fucking pecker on it like that goddamn big, and a fucking set of balls on that bitch. It's like, holy shit, fucking great. Maybe one of these days when I go flying back up there or some shit, just for a day or so, I'll take a trip, we'll cruise. Oh, I got burned on this fucking arrow.